Hey guys, it's me Kiran from Foodistan Travel. Today I bring a very easy recipe for you, and those who want to reduce their weight, they can consume this recipe every week as a main course or as a side dish. It's a very easy veg raita. Raita is a curd made from yogurt. You can use soy yogurt as well, and all the vegetables. I'm using 4 or 5 vegetables. You can even add more green vegetables and consume it 2 cups or even 3 cups per day. We usually use raita with rice dishes, and but I used to eat raita without any rice or any bread, and it's super delicious, super quick and super easy. But before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Foodistan Travel. So for this recipe we need 1 cup yogurt, quarter teaspoon black pepper, quarter teaspoon white pepper, salt to taste, 1 cup of chopped diced cucumber, 1 tomato, half cup capsicum, 1 chili, 1 to 2 spring onions, 2 teaspoons of green paste. This is the paste of mint, coriander and chili. 1 large or medium red onion. Okay, so first we will add all the vegetables. Onions. And then mix it all. Now keep it aside. Now we will make a yogurt mix. So I am taking half cup of yogurt, almost 200 gram. Then 2 teaspoons of green chutney paste, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and quarter teaspoon of white pepper. I am adding a very little amount of salt because I have already added salt in chutney. Now I will mix the yogurt with all the ingredients. Make sure you beat the yogurt very well. Now we will add all the vegetables in a large bowl. And add this yogurt. Now mix it well. Do not add additional water. Salad is ready. Now we will dish out. colorful. So let's do the taste test. It's super tasty, not at all spicy, and the crunch of vegetable is superb. So I'm going to eat this, and you can also make this veg raita and share your experience in the comment section below. But before going, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Foodistan Travels, and follow me on Instagram for more detailed recipes. Bye!